The dark side of AI: how chatbots like GPT-3 could threaten humanity's future. AI has the potential to bring about numerous benefits, such as improved healthcare, enhanced productivity, and more efficient decision-making. There are also potential risks that must be addressed. The potential misuse or unintended consequences of AI systems are significant risks that could have severe consequences for humanity's future. AI systems are developed by humans, and they are only as good as the data and programming used to create them. If not designed correctly or used improperly, AI systems can cause harm to individuals, societies, and even entire ecosystems. One potential misuse of AI systems is their use in the development of autonomous weapons. These weapons could make decisions on their own without human intervention, leading to a dangerous escalation of conflicts and potentially catastrophic outcomes. Another example of misuse is the use of AI in surveillance systems, which could infringe on people's privacy and civil liberties. Additionally, unintended consequences of AI systems could have severe implications. For example, AI systems designed to optimize certain outcomes may have unintended consequences that harm individuals or groups. This can occur due to the limitations of the data used to train the system or the biases of the programmers who create them. AI systems that are designed to make predictions can also be inaccurate, leading to incorrect decisions that harm individuals or entire communities. Furthermore, AI systems can also contribute to economic and social inequality. Automation of jobs can lead to job displacement and potentially worsen existing disparities in wealth distribution. AI systems can also reinforce biases and discrimination, perpetuating social injustices and contributing to inequality. In conclusion, while the potential impact of AI on the job market is a significant risk, the potential misuse or unintended consequences of AI systems are equally concerning. To mitigate these risks, it is essential to develop AI systems with a focus on ethical considerations, transparency, and accountability. It is also crucial to involve diverse groups of individuals in the development and decision-making processes to ensure that AI systems are fair and beneficial for all. Chatbots like GPT-3, for example, have already demonstrated their ability to generate coherent and convincing human-like language. While this has numerous practical applications, such as improving customer service and automating certain business processes, it also raises concerns about the potential for misuse. One possible concern is the potential for GPT-3 and other advanced chatbots to be used to spread misinformation or propaganda on a massive scale. Because these systems can generate realistic-sounding text, they could be used to create convincing fake news or propaganda that could be spread through social media and other channels. This could have serious consequences for public trust in institutions and the democratic process. Chatbots, which are AI-based conversational agents, have the potential to be used for malicious purposes, such as creating convincing phishing scams or carrying out social engineering attacks. Chatbots can generate realistic-sounding language and carry out conversations that can trick individuals into giving away sensitive information or carrying out actions that could have unintended consequences. Phishing scams are one of the most common forms of cyber attacks, where attackers attempt to gain access to sensitive information such as usernames, passwords, and credit card numbers by pretending to be a legitimate source, such as a bank or an email provider. Chatbots can be used to create realistic-sounding messages that appear to be from a legitimate source, tricking the recipient into giving away sensitive information. Social engineering attacks involve manipulating individuals into divulging sensitive information or performing actions that could have unintended consequences. Chatbots can be programmed to simulate conversations with individuals, which can be used to gain their trust and extract sensitive information or perform actions that could have negative consequences. One way to mitigate the potential misuse of chatbots is to ensure that they are designed with security and privacy in mind. Chatbot developers should implement security measures such as encryption and authentication to protect sensitive information. Additionally, chatbots should be programmed to be transparent about their purpose and identity, so that users can identify when they are interacting with a chatbot instead of a human. Education and awareness are also crucial in preventing the misuse of chatbots. Users should be educated on how to identify and avoid phishing scams and social engineering attacks. Companies should also provide training to their employees on how to identify and respond to these types of attacks. In conclusion, Chatbots have the potential to be used for malicious purposes such as creating convincing phishing scams or carrying out social engineering attacks. It is important to design chatbots with security and privacy in mind and to provide education and awareness to users and employees to prevent the misuse of chatbots. Overall, it is important to recognize the potential risks associated with AI and work to develop responsible practices and ethical standards to mitigate these risks. While AI has the potential to bring about numerous benefits, it is essential to ensure that its development and use are guided by ethical principles that prioritize the safety and well-being of humanity.